isn't natural for me. I won't pretend to keep you, but I am used to be the picture of perfection is only in your mind. Saan kayo pupunta? Aakit kayo doon? Isa. For all your expectation, love can never be designed. Uy, saan nyo yun? Bakit kinukuha yung hindi sa inyo? Ha? Legit yan, no? Dahil na doon, no? Hindi. Hindi kayo mamumuha ng hindi sa inyo, ha? Sino nagsabi sa inyo makukuha kayo ng hindi sa inyo? Never be designed. You are responding everyone you're from. I really stay behind or stop another start. You got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free. You're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free. See? Yan. Kailangan. Pag nagmahal kayo, yung sapat at hindi yung laro-laro lamang. Okay? Para hindi aalis yung isang babae sa inyong feelings. Inyong feeling pala. Feeling. Feeling. Iba yung feelings. Iba yung feeling. Yeah. I leave you alone. La, 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 la. Kaibigan lang. Araw-araw nag-iiwan sa pumasama ang ulan. Nakakalamunin ako. Ano ang aking gagawin sa isip at damdamin?